Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am Abdul Rahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarpura. It is economics for class 11th. Today, our topic is index numbers, and subtopic is meaning of index numbers and its advantages. What are the advantages of these index numbers? Dear students, I will define first this. What is the meaning of index number? It is a specialized average which is used to compare one group of data with other group of data. Simply, when it makes the comparison between the two variables or two groups, and so that the data is aware to us. Now, what are the advantages of this index numbers? Some of the main advantages are as under. Number one, measurement of change in the price level or the value of money. Dear students, most important use of index number is that index numbers measure the value of the money during different periods of time. We can use index numbers to know the impact of the change in the value of money on different sections of the society. According to devices or means can be worked out to correct inflationary or deflationary gaps in the system. Number two, knowledge of the change in the standard of living. Index numbers help us to ascertain the living standard of people. Money incomes may increase, but if index numbers show a decrease in the value of money, living standards may even decline. Thus, index numbers indicate change in the real income. Number three, adjustment in the salaries and allowance. Cost of living index is a useful guide to the government and private enterprises to make necessary adjustment in salaries and allowances of the workers. Increase in the cost of living index suggests increase in salaries and allowance. Number four, useful to business community. How it is useful to business community. Price thinker numbers serve as a useful guide to the business community in their planning and decisions. Trend of the prices significantly influence the production decision. Number fifth, information regarding production. It provides us information. Index numbers of production shows whether the level of agricultural and industrial production in the economy is increasing or decreasing. Accordingly, agricultural and industrial development policies are formulated. Number six, information regarding foreign trade. Index of exports and imports provide useful information regarding foreign trade. According to export-import policies are formulated. Number seven, useful to politicians. Politicians come to know of the real economic conditions in the country. On the basis of the index numbers, they offer constructive criticism of the government's economic policies and give suggestions for the economic reforms in the country. Number eighth and last, useful to government. That means index number is useful to the government. How it is useful to the government? It is with the help of the index number that the government determines its monetary and fiscal policies and takes concrete steps for the economic development of the country. In other words, with the help of the index numbers, government formulates appropriate policies to increase investment, output, income, employment, trade, price level, consumption, etc. Dear students, these were the meaning as and the advantages or merits or scope of this index number. This was the new chapter titled by index number, and I hope now it is clear to you. Inshallah, tomorrow I will take the next topic of the same, next subtopic of this same topic in the next number. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.